Hello, welcome in revision myself Harikesh Ashok Dubey. Hello, welcome in revision myself Harikesh Ashok Dubey. Let's learn about the element. Classification of elements. Elements are classified into three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. तत्वों को तीन प्रकारों में वर्गीकृत किया जाता है: धातु, अधातु और उपधातु। Metals. Metals are shiny, hard, strong and good conductors of heat and electricity. धातुएं चमकदार, कठोर, मजबूत होती हैं तथा ऊष्मा और विद्युत की अच्छी चालक होती हैं। Physical properties of metals. Definition. Metals are mostly solids at room temperature, sonorous, ductile, malleable, highly dense and have high melting and boiling points. Explanation. These properties make metals useful in many industries. धातुएं सामान्यतः ठोस होती हैं, तन्य आघातवर्धनीय, ध्वनियुक्त होती हैं तथा उनका घनत्व गलनांक और क्वथनांक अधिक होता है। Physical properties of metals. 1. Physical state. Under ordinary temperature, metals stay in solid state. However, metals like mercury and gallium are exception, which are in liquid state even at room temperature. 2. Luster. Take copper vessels at your home. Scrub them with lemon and rinse with water. Observe the luster before and after cleaning. Light gets reflected from they. Clean the freshly cut surface of metal and the metal looks lustrous. 3. Hardness. Generally metals are hard, not soft. Exception: sodium and potassium are soft and can be easily cut by a knife. 4. Ductility. Have you ever gone to a goldsmith's shop? Have you seen a goldsmith making a wire of gold or silver? When a metal is pulled through a hole, its wire is formed. This property of metal is called ductility. 5. Malleability. Take an iron nail, place it on a platform and keep on hammering it. After some time you will see a thin sheet forming. This property is called malleability of metals. 6. Conduction of heat. Take a copper plate, fix some wax at one of its ends, heat the other end and observe what happens. Discuss with teacher. Metals are good conductors of heat. Silver, copper and aluminium are the best conductors of heat. 7. Conduction of electricity. Which metals are used to make electrical wires? Metals are good conductors of electricity. Lead is an exception, which is neither a good conductor of heat nor a good conductor of electricity. 8. Density. Metals have high density. Sodium, potassium and lithium are exception, having lower density than water. The density of lithium is only 0.53 grams per cc. No melting point or boiling point. Generally, metals have high melting points and boiling points. Exceptions: Hg, Ga, Na, K. Thus, sonority. What is the metal that your school bell is made of? How does a bell is function? Metals are sonorous. They produce sound on striking. Exceptions in metals. Mercury and gallium are liquid metals while sodium and potassium are soft and less dense. पारा और गैलियम द्रव धातुएं हैं जबकि सोडियम और पोटेशियम मुलायम तथा कम घनत्व वाली धातुएं हैं। Chemical properties of metals. Metals lose valence electrons to form positive ions and react with oxygen, acids and water. धातुएं संयोजक इलेक्ट्रॉन खोकर धनायन बनाती हैं तथा ऑक्सीजन अम्ल और जल से अभिक्रिया करती हैं। Chemical properties of metals. A. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the basis of chemical behavior of elements. Majority of metals have up to 3 electrons in their outermost shell. Metal atomic electronic number configuration. Na sodium. Atomic number 11. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 8. Mg. Magnesium. Atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Aluminium. 13. Atomic number. Electronic configuration. 2. Art theme. B. Formation of ions. Metals have a tendency to lose their valence electrons to form positively charged ions, that is, cations. Na sodium metal, Na sodium cation plus 1 electron negative ion. Electronic configuration of sodium is 2 raised to 8 raised to 1. Electronic configuration of sodium cation is 2 raised to 8. Mg magnesium ion जोड़ to A2 electrons. Electronic configuration of magnesium is 2 raised to 8 raised to 2. Electronic configuration of magnesium ion is 2 raised to 8. Aluminium ion जोड़ 3e3 electrons. Electronic configuration of aluminium is 2 art. 3 electronic configuration of aluminium ion is 2 art. Metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature and react with acids to form salt and water. धातु ऑक्साइड क्षारीय प्रकृति के होते हैं और अम्लों से अभिक्रिया करके लवण तथा जल बनाते हैं. C. Reaction with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form their oxides. Metal जोड़ oxygen metal oxide. The metal oxides are basic in nature. Metal oxides react with an acid to form salt and water. Metal oxide जोड़ acid salt जोड़ water. D. Reaction with acid. Take dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Then add zinc dust to it. Take a glowing splinter near the mouth of the tube. Observe the glowing splinter. You will notice some sound coming out from it. Most of the metals react with dilute acids to form metal salts while hydrogen gas is released. Metal जोड़ dilute acid जोड़ salt जोड़ hydrogen gas. A. Reaction with water. Most metals do not show any observable and fast reaction with cold water. But some metals like sodium and potassium react with cold water to produce their hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Magnesium metal requires steam to give similar reactions. Nonmetals. Nonmetals are generally dull, brittle and poor conductors of heat and electricity. अधातुएं सामान्यतः बिना चमक वाली भंगुर होती हैं तथा ऊष्मा और विद्युत की खराब चालक होती हैं. Physical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals occur as solids, liquids and gases and usually have low density with low melting and boiling points. अधातुएं ठोस, द्रव और गैस तीनों अवस्थाओं में मिलती हैं तथा सामान्यतः उनका घनत्व गलनांक और क्वथनांक कम होता है. B. Formation of ions. Non-metals have a tendency to accept electrons in their valence shell to form negatively charged ions called anions. Exceptions in nonmetals. Diamond is the hardest natural substance and graphite is a good conductor of electricity. हीरा सबसे कठोर प्राकृतिक पदार्थ है तथा ग्रेफाइट विद्युत का अच्छा चालक है. Chemical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals gain electrons to form negative ions and react with oxygen to form acidic oxides. अधातुएं इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण करके ऋणायन बनाती हैं तथा ऑक्सीजन से अभिक्रिया करके अम्लीय ऑक्साइड बनाती हैं. Cl chlorine get 1 electron gives chloride ion. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. Electronic configuration of chlorine ion is 2, art. O oxygen dot get 2 electrons give oxide ion. Electronic configuration 2, 6. Electronic configuration of oxide ion 2, 8. N nitrogen dot get 3 electrons gives nitride ion. Electronic configuration of nitrogen 2, 5. Electronic configuration of nitride ion 2, 8. Nonmetal oxides. Nonmetal oxides react with water to form acids and with bases to form salt and water. अधातु ऑक्साइड जल से अभिक्रिया करके अम्ल तथा क्षारों से अभिक्रिया करके लवण और जल बनाते हैं। C. Reaction with oxygen, nonmetals. Combine with oxygen to form their oxides. Nonmetal जोड़ oxygen nonmetal oxide. The oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. They react with bases to form soluble salt and water. C. Carbon react with oxygen, gives you carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide react with the 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, give you sodium carbonate and water. The oxides of nonmetals react with water to form an acid. Carbon dioxide react with water gives you carbonic acid. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water gives you sulfurous acid. Sulfur trioxide react with water gives you sulfuric acid. D. Nonmetals do not react with dilute acids. Metalloids. Metalloids have properties of both metals and nonmetals. उपधातुओं में धातुओं और अधातुओं दोनों के गुण पाए जाते हैं। Noble metals. Gold, silver, platinum, palladium and rhodium are noble metals because they resist corrosion. सोना, चांदी, प्लेटिनम, पैलेडियम और रोडियम उत्कृष्ट धातुएं हैं क्योंकि इनमें संक्षारण नहीं होता। Uses of noble metals. Noble metals are used in ornaments, medicines, metals, electronics and as catalysts. उत्कृष्ट धातुओं का उपयोग आभूषण, दवाइयों, पदकों, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों तथा उत्प्रेरक के रूप में किया जाता है। Uses of noble metals. 1. Gold, silver and platinum are used to prepare ornaments. 2. Silver used in medicines. It has antibacterial property. 3. Gold and silver also used to make medals. 4. Gold and silver also used to make few electronic devices. 5. Platinum, palladium metals are used as catalyst. Purity of gold. Pure gold is 24 karat while jewelry is usually made from 22 karat gold for strength. शुद्ध सोना 24 कैरेट का होता है जबकि आभूषण सामान्यतः अधिक मजबूती के लिए 22 कैरेट सोने से बनाए जाते हैं। Corrosion. Corrosion is the slow damage of metals due to reaction with air, moisture and gases. वायु, नमी और गैसों के साथ अभिक्रिया के कारण धातुओं का धीरे धीरे नष्ट होना संक्षारण कहलाता है। Prevention of corrosion. Corrosion is prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, varnishing and metal coating. संक्षारण को रंग करने, तेल लगाने, ग्रीस लगाने, वार्निश करने तथा धातु की परत चढ़ाने से रोका जाता है। Alloy. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal with a non-metal. मिश्र धातु दो या अधिक धातुओं अथवा किसी धातु और अधातु का समांगी मिश्रण होती है। Examples of alloys. Stainless steel and bronze are common alloys used in daily life. स्टेनलेस स्टील और कांसा दैनिक जीवन में उपयोग होने वाली सामान्य मिश्र धातुएं हैं। Recycling of metals. Scrap metals are collected and recycled to save natural resources and energy. धातु के कबाड़ को एकत्र करके पुनर्चक्रित किया जाता है जिससे प्राकृतिक संसाधनों और ऊर्जा की बचत होती है। Do you know? There is a statue of Liberty in the sea near New York City in America. The original surface of their statues was made of copper. But now it looks green. This is because green colored copper carbonate has been formed by a reaction of copper with the carbon dioxide and moisture in the air. This is an example of corrosion. Do you know? There is an iron pillar in the premises of Qutub Minar in Delhi, made about 1500 years ago. The pillar is lustrous even after so many years. This is because our ancestors had made it from an alloy. It contains small proportion of carbon, silicon and phosphorus mixed in iron. Do you know? A cheap variety of stainless steel is made sometimes by using copper instead. of costly nickel. You might have seen the vertical cracks in stainless steel vessels. The reason is as above. Discuss. You might be knowing scrap dealers. What do they do with the scrap? Why is this needed? एंड तक देखने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया। अच्छा लगा हो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।